I get a DM from my friend Lucy, and she sends me Dan's Instagram story saying that he needs help with an upcoming film and to like DM our work to him. So I shot my shot, you know, I DM'd him. I said, here's my website. I would love to work with you. Put my phone back in my pocket because at this point, I'm walking to the courthouse.
Yeah, you still have all this other stuff to deal with, but you're still shooting your shot, working, you know?
And so I'm like walking to the courthouse. I shoot my shot. I put my phone in my pocket. I pull my phone out a few minutes later, and I see message from Dan Mace. And I'm just like, oh, my God, like, no way. This is like giving me goosebumps. I open it up. He's like, hey, man, can you come to New York City tomorrow? Before even knowing if I could leave the state, I just said yes. So I went to New York City, met up with Dan. He like kind of briefed me on this film idea. And
that's what he wanted people to help with?
Yeah. Okay. It was a film that's called The Real Broadway Musical. I helped shoot some of the video.
Okay.
And like Dan filming, and then going out. He gave me like a shot list that he needed. And then like I shot some of the scenes that were in it.
Yeah.
And then when it came to editing, like I started editing a little piece, and then like he took over the edit at a certain point.
And so how did you use that? You were with him for like a week.
Yeah.
So how did you act in that week to be to build a relationship so where it wasn't just like, okay, thanks for helping me with this one, see ya.
Yeah. And
you guys actually continue to say, let's continue to work.
Yeah. So I just
happen?
Tried to provide as much value as I possibly could. In our very first DMs, he told me like, this isn't a paid project, but if you need to be paid, like I can figure something out. And I'm very much on my Gary V hustle of doing free work. And I was like, dude, like I don't want you to pay me. And so I think that made a good first impression. And then when I got to the city, I was just continuously like, hey, what do you need? What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? Like, what can I do? Maybe, I don't know if it came across annoying. Like, I tried to do it in a way where I wasn't being annoying. I just wanted to provide as much value as I possibly could so that I could build on that relationship more.
Mm-hmm. So, like, even things like, yo, you hungry? I'm at the store.
No, he was cool. He was cool. He bought us food. Like, he's a super legend. Like, when I'm helping him on videos, like he's paying for my food and stuff that. Super legend for that.
I'm like that even with like trying to like collaborate with someone. Like, yo, I'm at the gas station. Like, you want gum or water?
Yeah.
And like I do like everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think so. I think that's like a point of contention for a lot of people. They have to see both sides. Like, no, free work undervalues the whole industry or something. Like, I think personally there's a line to where the value that you're getting is worth something. It's not like you're just doing free work for Joe Schmo who just wants you to do like a poster and whatever. The value is so much greater than like a dollar sign because it could 100%. Change your life, like you said.
100%.
So would you just, I guess I would just recommend that people just measure and take a look at, you know, we're not saying go do free work for, just go show up at your local whatever and be like, you guys can use and abuse me.
Yeah.
But say yes to these opportunities that you think might have a potential to
100%
really connect you and take you to the next level, and then you can learn how to make money.
100%.